So I've got split top wheat bread first. Ben's original ready rice, cilantro lime flavored. Mission yellow corn tortillas, extra thin, super soft, gluten free. Look at this cake. I want to get this cake, but this is too much cake for one person or even two people, but I want this overjoyed vanilla flavored ice cream and white cake. One tomato should do this fine. Or I might get a second tomato and make a salad. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. So I've got 2 tomatoes here, and these will be for the salad and the tacos. 4 bananas, roasted chicken.